Hi everybody, Ghoul School, Mrs. Ghoul here. This week for word study over Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I would like for you to work a little bit on our Latin and Greek root words. We are looking first at PER, which is a prefix. If you look here at the top, you've got 3 pages you can do this week. You can do one per day. The prefix that we're looking at, so this first part of the word study, is PER. It's a prefix that means through or thoroughly. So you know what through means, like going through something. But thoroughly means that you're doing something very well or completely. So we've done these divide and conquer papers before. If you have a printer, you can print them out, but you don't have to. You really can just use pages in your reader's writer's notebook and just look at the page and have your reader's writer's notebook in front of you and write the words on your notebook. So let me give you a little preview of what these look like if you haven't looked at them already. And again, we've done these before where we broke apart the prefix, we thought about what the base means, and then we told what the word means here. So we can do this first one together. The prefix is, of course, so this is the word permeate. The prefix is per, so you would write P-E-R. And then me actually means to wander, or can mean to wander. So the word permeate, if you think about the through or thoroughly, permeate is if something is kind of drifting or taking over an area, okay? Like if you've ever been around somebody that is smoking somewhere outside, the smoke will kind of permeate the area and you'll be like, where's that smoke coming from? So that's our word permeate, okay? And you could put that something's wandering through right here where it says what the word means. The second word here is percolate. So again, the prefix is P-E-R. And then call can mean to strain or sieve something. So a lot of you have seen me make coffee in the morning, and maybe you've seen your parents make coffee before. And sometimes you'll talk about how it percolates. It goes through the coffee filter. So the water strains down through that coffee filter. And so that's what percolating is, when that water goes through that coffee in that little filter. And so to percolate, if you look up here again, per means through. And this means strain. So percolate literally means to go through some sort of a strainer. You can continue breaking apart these words all the way down into word number 10. If you're struggling with what the word means, you can look up the definitions online. That's not cheating, that's using your resources. So if you get stuck on a couple, you can skip them and you're welcome to email me, or you can look them up online and try to put together the prefix PER with what that base part of the word means. So that's the first page. The second page is a story, which we've done these before as well. You're taking these new PER words that you've looked at, and again, some are familiar, some may be new to you, and you're trying to fill in the blanks of the story. And again, if you have one that's tricky, skip it. You can always talk to your parents or FaceTime with a friend or email back and forth with a friend if you're not sure about one. You can certainly check in with me as well. And then the last page. The last page here, you're playing a little game. It says work with a partner to complete the magic squares. If you don't have a partner, you can certainly work by yourself, but if you want to call somebody or do this with somebody in your home, that's fine. You're going to look at the PER words and look at the terms and look at the definitions here and try to match them up. So like for A, the word is perspire. You might have perspired a couple days ago when it was 74 degrees out. Perspire means to sweat. So then you look down and try to find the definition. And let's see here. Skin breathes through your clothes. I suppose that's correct. I guess so. So we would put a number 7 in the blank here with A, perspire. Okay. So that's that, and there's a little key down here. Basically, if you do this puzzle correctly. It says here, if you're right, the magic number will be the same if you add going across or down. So you're basically, when you add any of these columns across or down, you should get the same magic number here if you did it right. So hopefully you can do it right. If you get stuck on any, let me know and I'll be sure to help you. Okay. All right. I hope that you have a great little bit of word study this week. If you have any questions, let me know. And this is Cool School. Good luck on your 3 pages of word study for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Like I said, you can do 1 per day, or you can do them all in one day if you're really on a roll. All right. Thanks. I'll see you soon. Bye.